Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Remitly refund not received issue. First, check the status of the refund in your Remitly account. Refunds can take a few business days depending on your bank or payment method. Then make sure the bank account or payment method is used correct and active. Sometimes banks take in extra time to process refunds. Then, if the refund is delayed beyond the normal time, contact Remitly support with your transaction details. They can check and help release the funds. That's how you fix the Remitly the refund not received. Don't forget